Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could edit the hibernate settings for your Windows computer. To do that, just go to your battery sign or indicator, the little icon on the right panel, and click with the right button of the mouse and select Power Options. Here we will go to Change Plan Settings, and here we are going to click on Change Advanced Power Settings. The next step, we will click on Sleep, and here we will have the hibernate after, and this option here you can edit it. You can either restore plan defaults or you can go ahead and change as you like. Once you are done, you click Apply and OK, and this should save your settings for the hibernate which you have changed. Once done, you will need to go and restart your computer, and after that all your changes should be effective. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, just leave us a comment or write us an email and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us, you can always press like if you find this video useful, and you can always subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.